Hey, this is December 1st of 2020. December 1st, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. And we're at the shop here in Hamilton, and we just did a mod for this gentleman. And he was just down there on the tailpipe. I tried to catch it. Go ahead. Nothing. You sure? Yeah. All right. Now, all right. So, guys, I'm Ron Hatton, of course, Gadget Man, and GadgetManGroove.com. So, just did this modification. Why don't you tell us about? Let me see. I'll show you the truck here. Why don't you tell us about your truck here and who you are?
It's an 02 Avalanche with a flat 3 with a cam, headers, the whole 9 yards, and I'm jack tapping the parts of it.
So, you built this engine in this thing, right? Okay, so can you tell me a little bit before or after, whatever you noticed on your test drive?
Before it was doggy on the takeoff, now it takes off.
Yeah.
And the pull down the road between gears is amazing.
Yeah.
Freaking pulls.
That freaking pulls? So you saw what we did, yep. Right? Nothing more than 1/8 of an inch groove, right? Did it make a profound difference in your engine?
Yes, it did.
All right. So did a little groove make a big difference?
Yep.
Now, would you recommend this to other Avalanche owners?
I would.
So are you happy?